This better not tip over like it did the last time.
0 feet altitude, 16 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 98% battery.
Bye-bye. Ready to do a mission. This one's just going to circle the area a couple times. 400 feet. Pretty high altitude. I should not lose connection. Check my camera for shaking. I think I figured out why the picture was wobbling. It's because there's
374 feet altitude, 307 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 92% battery.
The cable that I installed, it's got a little piece of sticky stickum on it, and it wasn't sticking. So, what's that pointed at? I'll just go with it. This is a point of interest mission. And I was a little concerned about the best way to glue down a circuit, well, you know, a ribbon cable, because I don't want to do something that's going to cause it to eat through, like with crazy glue or something. So I was looking around online, and apparently hot glue is the recommended fix.
399 feet altitude.
Let me try that.
1,627 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 88% battery.
I pressed it back down with some, you know, like a sponger, whatever they call it. That seemed to get it in place, but I'm going to try the hot glue later, because when I pan down, I can't tell immediately on my screen if it's wobbling or not. And I noticed on the video I did yesterday, it was the first mission I did, the first flight, it was wobbling quite a bit, and I couldn't tell. You can't really tell looking at the display on your phone. So, the only way I'll know is when I actually
399 feet altitude.
Watch the video.
2,099 feet distance. 20 miles per hour. 84% battery.
Otherwise, it's chilly, but it's a beautiful day. Got very little to no wind. Good altitude, because I got the high elevation out here. 400 feet, it's pretty much safe. Nice picture. Nice horizon, good focus, I believe.
.400 feet altitude, 962 feet distance, 23 miles per hour, 79% battery.
All's well. Trying to work the gimbal smoothly, but I'm a little bit, because I'm in the house, losing connection a little. Picture anyway. It's choppy, even though it's not that far. It's always hard to see the screen outside during the day like this. Tell if the picture's bright enough or not.
399 feet altitude. 1,292 feet distance. 14 miles per hour. 75% battery.
Hitting the headwind there. Slow it down quite a bit. That's why I didn't want to get out of range, because it's the wind is like it's just been kind of gusty. It's calm, but it gets gusty, so. Kept it close enough. I got to take over. It's no problem.
.399 feet altitude. 1,601 feet distance. 6 miles per hour. 70% battery.
Now I'm hitting the sun. It sucks. Point down. In this mission, I can't rotate the camera. Now it's going to pick up speed. There it goes. Nice day. I'm in line of sight, but I can't see it. A little tiny dot in the sky.
399 feet altitude. 1,472 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 66% battery.
More often than not, I'll be describing what I see live. That will prove me a liar when I look at the big picture video.
399 feet altitude. 2,094 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 62% battery.
It's going to take one more spin and come back. And I'll watch the battery, because of the. Right now I got good speed, 25 miles an hour. But it seems to want to hang up on the other side of the park. Yeah, I did two big circles around here.
.399 feet altitude. 1,850 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 57% battery.
Good on. Good numbers. Looking at my waypoints. Waypoint number 35 out of 45. It's going to scoot around the park again, and it's going to Shoot past the old folks' home, which is that big L-shaped building. It's not really an old folks' home. It's a condos
399 feet altitude.
for people above 55.
939 feet distance.
Like
20
me.
miles per hour. 52% battery.
Like me. No kids, in other words. Slowing down a little. 51% battery. All is well. This end of this circle is a little shorter than the other one. All in all, I'm pretty happy with the picture. But like I said, I'll be looking for, vibration or, jiggling when I actually can see the video on the 4K screen.
399 feet altitude. 1,554 feet distance.
Just because it looks good on the phone doesn't
17
mean it
miles per
actually
hour.
is.
47% battery.
47% battery, 16 miles an hour. This is where I got hung up the other time too, but I got a lot of battery. I can get back easy. Let's let it go. Now it's picking up speed. There's the creek. I'm in the sun.
399 feet altitude. 1923 feet distance. 11 miles per hour. 42% battery.
I think I might have figured out what those mysterious little specks that I've been seeing on screen. They usually see, but they're noticeable when I fly into the sun, and I think that they're either tiny particles of water or ice, because I kind of timed them. Obstacle avoidance is going on. What the hell? Must be seeing the sun and thinking it's something in the way. Oh, that's why. The reflection off the building. Huh. Yeah, I was getting obstacle warnings, and it's the reflection.
400 feet altitude.
Off that pond.
2,107 feet distance. 18 miles per hour. 37% battery.
It was fucking up the sensors. The sunlight bouncing off that pond down there. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. That must not have been that important. I'll remember it when I'm watching this. Just about at the end now. It's gonna go stop over the creek here. Across the street. Full speed ahead. 15-minute mission. Right on time, actually.
.399 feet altitude. 506 feet distance. 17 miles per hour. 32% battery.
That should be all she wrote.
Mission ended.
Yep. Go back to first person. Right across the street. I think I might have been talking about, I've been looking around, trying to watch the video, monitor the video for any kind of wrinkles. And I don't see them while I'm flying. I see them when I play the video back. So I'm going to land this guy manually now. position.
376 feet altitude. 601 feet distance. 6 miles per hour. 27% battery.
I go out so I can see it. I see him.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
And I do see some shaking on the screen, but that's from going fast and slowing down.
Warning, aircraft battery at 23%. 38 feet altitude. 18 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 22% battery.
Bring him in for a landing.
Warning, aircraft battery at 20%. Warning, aircraft battery at 18%. 9 feet altitude. 4 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 17% battery.
Drifting. There you are. It's a little hard to land because the wind was taking it.
Warning,
But
aircraft battery at 14%.
we're down on the ground. All right, decent flight. A little chilly. I'm cold. D-Dub out.